Hello my dear students, welcome to your GK class. Today is our second class, but firstly we will discuss about previous class. In previous class I had given you to learn animals and their nickname. Okay, I hope you done it. So let's see animal and their nickname. First question is, which animal is known as the black leopard? Which animal is known as the black leopard? Yes, panther is known as the black leopard. Second question, which animal is known as the king of the jungle? So, we all know lion is known as the king of the jungle. Third question is, which animal is called the antwear? So, aardvark is called the antwear. Question number 4. Which animal is known as the river horse? So, hippopotamus is known as the river horse. Next question. Which animal is known as the snake killer? Yes, mongoose is known as the snake killer. Next question is, which animal is known as the man's best friend? So, we know dog is known as the man's best friend. Which animal is called the man of the forest? So, orangutan is called the man of the forest. Why? Because it is very intelligent animal. And next, which animal is known as the sheep of the desert? So, camel is known as the sheep of the desert. Okay. So, let's start our today's class. Our today's class is about chapter 2. The animal kingdom is so large that we don't know for certain how many kinds of animal there in the world. Today, however, several animal families are in danger of becoming extinct because people kill them to sell their body parts. The animal kingdom is so large. We know there are many types of animals on the earth, but we know only few of them. Today, however, several animal families are in danger of becoming extinct. Extinct means about to lost, about to finish. It means this time many animal is about to lost. बहुत से जानवर विलुप्त होने वाले हैं, खत्म होने वाले हैं, क्योंकि लोग उनको मारते हैं, उनका शिकार कर देते हैं. किस लिए? उनके बॉडी पार्ट्स को सेल करने के लिए. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. First is, it is an Australian tree climbing animal that is hunted especially for its skin. As we can see here, this is a Australian tree climbing animal that is hunted especially for its skin. However, of late, the government has declared the sale of its skin is illegal. Okay, as we can see here, this is a koala bear. This is a koala bear. People are hunting it because of its skin. To sell their skin, they hunting this animal. Okay, let's see next. Next one is, this animal is found in 13 Asian countries. Over 50% of its population is found in India. It's posed for its ivory, meat and skin. We can see here, this is a elephant. We can see here, this is a elephant. We know that elephant is found in India. Over 50% of its population is found in India. It's posed for its ivory meat and skin. Ivory means its teeth. Its showing teeth is called ivory. People hunting it because of selling its ivory meat and skin. So this is a Asian infant, and now it is also in danger list. It is about to lost. And look at the third one is criminals kill this animal for its horns. Its meat and bones are used for making medicines in China, Korea, Japan, etc. It has a very thick skin. As we can see here, this is a horn. This is a horn of this animal. Its meat and bones are used for making medicine. So that's why people hunting it. And this is a one-horned rhinoceros. It is one-horned rhinoceros. Why it's called one-horned rhinoceros? As we can see here, as its head, it is a horn. That's why it's called one-horned rhinoceros. Okay, let's see the next one. Next one is fourth number. They are the old world monkeys found in southwestern India. They are good climbers and have white manes around black faces. They are old world monkeys. As we can see in picture, they are good climbers. It means it can easily climb on trees and have a white manes around black face. White means is, you are looking here, this is its hair. So hair on neck and face is called manes, M-A-N-E-S. Okay, so we are seeing in the picture the have white manes around black face. So what is the name of this animal? This is lion-tailed macaque. Lion-tailed macaque. Okay, so see the next. Fifth is the quills of this animal are used for making fancy artifacts. Okay, you can see here it's quills. It's quills of this animal, and people use it to making fancy artifacts, fancy things. So that's why they kill it and hunted it. So what is the name of this animal? This is a porcupine. This is porcupine. Okay, next one is number 6. This endangered variety of brow-antlered deer can be found only at the Cabo Lamjo National Park in Manipur, India. This endangered variety means it's about to finish because it's only found in Cabo Lamjo National Park in मणिपुर. ये केवल इंडिया में मणिपुर के कैबल लामजो नेशनल पार्क में ही पाया जाता है और ये एकदम ख़त्म होने वाला है, मतलब इसकी प्रजाति एकदम ही फिनिश होने वाली है, ये गायब होने वाला है. सो व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दिस एनिमल? संगाई. Seventh, this animal is found in Africa and not many of them are left. It's also in danger list. The female give birth only once in 4 years. They are poached for bushmeat. So this is a gorilla. It's also in endangered list, is also about to lost. And last one is, this member of the cat family has beautiful fur that is soft and thick. In India, it is found on the southern slope of the Himalaya and is now in the endangered list. As we can see in the picture, this is a it has beautiful fur that is soft and thick. So now it is also in danger list. ये कहाँ पे पाए जाते हैं? ये हिमालय के साउथर्न स्लोप पे पाए जाते हैं. Okay, so now we have understood and know about these animals. Those are about to lost, and it's need to we save them. It's our responsibility that we save them. Okay.